By their very nature, gasoline and diesel engines leave gum and varnish throughout the fuel system. A dirty fuel system hurts engine performance and fuel economy. Small explosions in your engine leave the combustion chamber, pistons, and valves covered in carbon deposits. Carbon on pistons and in the combustion chamber interfere with fuel and air mixing and may even cause premature combustion. Carbon-covered valves may not seal properly, reducing power and fuel efficiency and increasing harmful emissions. Your fuel injectors spray fuel into your cylinders to be burned in the engine. The tip of the injector is designed to spray the fuel in a precise pattern. When the tip of the fuel injector is dirty, it sprays a weak stream of fuel in the wrong pattern, reducing performance and fuel economy. For your vehicle to run smoothly, it needs the proper mixture of fuel and air. The throttle body is responsible for controlling the amount of air entering the engine. Over time, gum and varnish build up in the system and affect its ability to regulate airflow. A dirty throttle body can cause acceleration hesitation and poor engine performance. In modern engines, rapid and excessive deposit buildup on key components cause deteriorating performance, stalling, stumbling, declining fuel economy, and increased emission problems, and can lead to expensive repairs. A professional fuel system cleaning involves high-performance cleaners and special tools, along with some old-fashioned cleaning of the air induction system. The entire system is addressed from the fuel tank through the fuel lines, cleaning the throttle plate and throttle body in addition to injectors, intake valves, and the combustion chamber. This is not a do-it-yourself, pour a bottle in the tank kind of job. If your engine has lost some of its pep, your engine sputters, and your fuel economy isn't what it used to be, ask your professional service consultant about a complete fuel system service.